Alright guys, this is my 92 Harley-Davidson Sportster. On the title it's an 883. It has been bored out to a 1200. It's got plenty of extras, as you can see. It's been painted. It's got speed trap exhaust, or super trap exhaust on it, as you can see right there. It's got Willie G foot pegs. It does have the Screaming Eagle package. It's got aftermarket levers. It's got Willie G mirrors. Let's see, what else? There's the speedometer. I put it on there with the intentions of putting the speedometer on it, reconnecting it. There was none on it when I bought it. I got the cable and the speedometer, just haven't got around to getting the speed sensor put on. That right there is the speed sensor. It has not been replaced yet. That's the original one from Harley-Davidson. I just haven't got around to it yet. I will get it, or I will get replaced only if I'm keeping it. I will not replace it for other people. If you're interested, it's $10 part. Any shop will charge you $15-20 to put it on. I just don't have the time to run it down there and deal with all that, so I'm only going to do that if I'm keeping it. As you can see, it's got the aftermarket turn signals that are mounted to the front forks, because I removed the original ones. It also has the aftermarket horn cover. It's got the shifter Willie G. It's got the foot pegs that are Willie G. I mean, as you can see on this, it does have some wear and tear. It is not brand new, but it does run good. It doesn't leak any fluids. It had the battery cover. It flew off when I was going to meet another guy about a possible trade or buy. I have not had a chance to get another one yet. Again, if I put money into it, I'm just going to keep it. Again, it's a $15-20 part at a parts store. You can pick them up pretty much any bike store, whether it's Harley-Davidson or not. As far as the tail end goes, I just took the taillight assembly off the bike. I did have it, wanted to go ahead and had one of the lights burn out in it. I pulled the whole thing off to replace the light in it. I'm planning on putting it back on the next day or two. It's not damaged, it's not broken, nothing of that sort. It's simply just wanting to rework it. I'm possibly going to put run LEDs through it. I really added yet. It does have an extra seat, two-person seat on it. It's not a solo seat. It does have passenger pegs. It's got the chrome oil pan cover. As you can see here, that does say lightning, because it is lightning heads, lightning valve covers, lightning pistons. Don't have the documents on it. It was done before I bought the bike, but I have taken it to the local Harley dealership and had it tested. It is a true 1200cc motor. Now that it's been converted over, again, remember that the title's going to say 883 because that's what it was stock when it came from the factory. Also had the carburetors cleaned on it and other things of that sort. As far as the maintenance goes, I'll go ahead and start it up so you can hear it running. Give me just a second. As you can hear, it fires up good. It is carbureted, so it does have a little bit of, you do have to pull a choke out on it. It hasn't been running a minute or so, but it's a great running bike. Never had any problems with it. Drive it every day. So text me, call me, email me, whichever way is easiest for you. Let me know what you think. But I will forewarn you that I am not willing to 5 or 6 at it. If anybody wants to take a look at it, watch the video. Call me if you have any questions on it. And of course, anybody's going to ask if it's any kind of damage or anything like that. There isn't any damage, but as you can see here, it does have minor spots from just being an old bike. I haven't had a chance to recover it. It's not perfect. It's not brand new, but it is a good running bike. It is a solid bike, and there's nothing mechanically wrong with it. So text me or call me if you're interested.